All right, guys, we're going to do the standard cross armbar, juji-gatame in Japanese, from the guard. Okay, so it's a basic technique. So the way that this works, right, is I'm hyperextending his elbow. Right, this is a hinge joint and it only goes so far. But if I hold his body in place and I put my hips, I can actually make it go further. It's not going to go back in the right way, but it's going to go further. So I'm locking the elbow. So there's a couple ways to do this. All right, so depending on the level of your opponent, you're going to have to be sneakier in your setups. But a lot of people are going to put initially in a self-defense situation, or if they're sort of new to jiu-jitsu, they're going to feed you this a whole lot. So what we're looking for is an arm high and across the center line. That's a really good feed. So we're just going to go through two basic mechanisms or basic setups for this, and then you guys can kind of play with what you want. So I need control of his sleeve first, right? And I need control of his upper body. So I'm going to go first. The first grip we're going to use is just grabbing here, right, and grabbing here, shoulder or epaulette. This foot is going to I'm going to put this on his hip, and then I'm going to use this, right, to lighten my body. So this is a bridge. So my upper back is on the mat, and my foot is pressing off him, and nothing else is on the ground. And this allows me to make a turn almost perpendicular to him. Right, this is key. This shoots up into the armpit, it pitches him forward, it throws him off. This clamps down, my knee clamps over here on the far shoulder. Right, if you want, you could stop here for a second, but you don't have to. Right, so this is kind of this intermediate position. So he should be able to pull his arm out easily. Okay, got this. Right, put my hand here on his chin, push away. This goes over. I make his head heavy by clamping down. I pinch my knees together. Right, the heavy head keeps him off of his base, so he can't posture up and stack me. This is just helping too, and then the knees together keep his elbow from sliding out. Now from here, I want to control, right, so thumb, right, I'm taking it opposite the direction of the thumb. So all I need to do really is to push my hips up and push the soles of my feet that way just a little bit. That's it. So there's not much range of motion. If you're really doing this, you just do a back arch and you get a lot of crunching noises. Okay, so we grab, he puts his arm up high, grab this, foot on the hip, make my turn, heavy head, knees pinched, slide away. Okay, other grip. Take this grip and this grip. Okay, foot on the hip. Now this is a little bit different, but not too different. I'm going to shrimp away a little bit. So we worked on shrimps. My hips are high. Look, I shrimp, and see how I pull his butt off his heels? That keeps him from regaining his posture. So I've got this. Quickly throw this over the head. Heavy head. And squeeze the knees together. Right, one more time. So in, cross grip, over, and finish.